Yo, I'm Nez, and I'm dropping another impromptu review on y'all. And this time, what we're gonna do a review of is the damn, I dropped it. This is the Pumtech electric ball pump. That's Pumtech. That's Papa Uniform Mike Tango Echo Charlie Kilo. And it's the electric ball pump or rechargeable ball pump model AP1-P. Now it's exactly what I say it is. It's a pump, an electric pump to pump up balls. So why don't we get into this bad boy? But before we get into this, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that way you can be notified whenever I put out videos such as this. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, baby, and hit that share button so that way you can let other people know about this video. It'll help me and the channel out immensely. So now we got all the politicking out the way. Let's get into this. So this is the front of the box. Bong, right here is your artwork. That's what she looks like. Here, or I should say the top of the box. All right, I always confuse that by saying the front. It's the top of the box. And this is the front of the box. Showing you the type of balls that I can pump up. Volleyballs, basketballs, footballs, and rugby balls. Roughly, football and soccer balls, I should say. But, if you're in Europe, it's football and rugby ball. So, and it tells you the PSI for each one of them. 6 PSI for volleyball, 7 to 9 for basketball, 8 to 12 for football slash soccer ball, and 9 to 12 for a football slash rugby ball. And there's a side of the box, nada. Other side of the box, nada. Back of the box, got some stuff back here. The model number and all that stuff. Look at that. Saying was it made in Germany? Wow. Finally got something that wasn't made in China. There goes your barcode that I always like to show you. And here's the bottom of the box. There goes some stuff you can read for yourself. And it looks like American. It looks like English, German, and French. Oh, over here you got Italian and Spanish. So, multiple languages. It has a 2,000 milliamp battery on this bad boy. 5 volt, 1 amp max. Outward air pressure max is 12 psi. Outward airflow is 4 liters per minute. It has a 1 watt flashlight on here, and the weight is about 260 grams. So let's get into the box here. Nice easy opening, bong, like so. Got your instruction manual. You know what I feel about that and reading that. Got a little Amazon gift card. I imagine that if I do a positive review, they'll give me an Amazon gift card. I'll hold on to that depending on type of review. Okay, so take that off. Here goes this device right here. If I can get it out. Get back to that in a second. Over here in this box, you got your various nozzles and stuff. Take a look at this. USB to micro USB charger cord. Got your whatever nozzle to pump up like an inflatable. Got your 2 ball nozzles, whether it be football, volleyball, baseball, soccer ball, rugby ball, however you want to call it. You got your little extension here. And looks like it has a bag that it comes in. So I'll move all that to the side. Let's check this out. Take this off. Ooh, that feels so good. Anyone who's removed static paper from a new phone know how that feels. Here we go from the bottom. Yes. Hope y'all got to hear that and feel that like I did. Okay, here goes the bottom of it. Got a couple little specs on here. Bong. Oh, it is made in China. Look at that. I'll call me fooled. This is where your extension screws in right here, and there's your LED light. Nothing on this side. Nothing on the back. Nothing on this side. The front has your LED bar. Here's your power button, forward and backward for the pressure. And then the top, you got your micro USB slot to charge it. Let's turn her on, see if we got some power. Okay, now it's on. Okay, so right now it's set at 8 psi. You go down, you can just the psi like that, going down or back up. The light came on real quick. I don't know why I did that, because usually if you double tap the You double tap. Okay, now just, okay, because I set the PSI, then I press the power button, it's going to try to inflate to that PSI. And if you press the button again, it'll automatically stop it in case you want to emergency stop it. So now I'm going up and down. Now if I tap 2 times the up button, I think that's what turns on the flashlight. Yep. So that's why it was turning on the flashlight, because I was trying to adjust up too fast. And you tap it twice again in rapid succession on turning the flashlight off. But if you want to adjust it up, you just nice slow even taps. Same with down. Well, down doesn't matter, but going up, because that's also your you turn on your flashlight. There goes your PSI indicator up top there. Right now it's at 0 PSI. There's your battery indicator. And so let's go get a ball and see if we can pump something up. Let's screw this in on here. Get this all hooked up real quick. You can pump up bike tires with this too. That's the screw on right there. So this is you can do a pretty good deal with this. Make sure that's screwed in. Now, okay, this screws in the same way. Okay, it has a little treading on here. Okay, so let's turn it on real quick and see what it. Oh, got quite a bit of air that comes on out of there. See if you can hear that. Okay, so let me go get a ball and come right back in and see how fast it'll pump it up. Catch you on the flip. Okay, we're back in. Got a couple balls here. Move some of this stuff out of the way. Got this deflated ball. So we're gonna start with that first, and then I got a semi-deflated mini basketball and a couple other things here. So let's start with this one. See how long it takes to inflate it. I'm going to put a little timer on here too, so that way you can see how long it takes to inflate it. So I don't even know what PSI I should put on this. Hold on, what PSI is this? Does it say on here? Does not say. We're just going to have to eyeball it. I'm going to set the PSI. Oh, the power went off. Let's turn the power back on. I'm going to set the PSI, the minimum PSI for a volleyball, 6 pounds. So I'm going to set it for 5 pounds because I don't want to overinflate it. Maybe 4. Yeah, I'll do 5 and I'll just watch it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it's at 1.7 psi, but I discovered where the hole is, so that's a good thing. Let me go ahead and mark this so I can go ahead and. That's pretty cool. When I filled it up, it actually helped me to find the hole. So let me patch this hole and then come right back in. So catch you on the flip again. Okay, we're back in. I just do a piece of tape over this until I can find one of those. I know I have one of those vinyl patches somewhere around here. I have so many inflatables, and I know I'm bound to have some in one of the junk drawers around here. So this is just temporary, some clear tape. So this basically was like 1.6 psi to fill this up to a nice firm. I don't want to go too much more than that. I don't want to burst it. All right, so now what we're going to do is check out this football. And this mini football, basketball, I should say. We're going to go with the 7 to 9 psi. So I'm going to do low. I'm going to do 7 on this. Put this up to 7. And if you hold it down, obviously it goes fast. So that way you can go through the motions faster. Okay, let's turn it on. And put a timer on this too. So it's measuring the PSI right now. Well, this bad boy's already feel firm. You might not even make it to 7. and it automatically shut off at 7. You see, I did not press the power button, which is right there. It's set for 7, and it shut off at 7. And so you see, and I'm going to squeeze the ball and show you that the PSI actually adjusts when I squeeze it. I was doing it before. Okay, so there you go. That's at 7. Here goes another NCAA rated basketball. I'm going to do this one at 9 PSI because it says 7 to 9. So this is the bigger basketball, so I'm going to do this at 9. Set this up for 9. That boy's getting firm. Yeah, this bad boy is getting pretty full. I'm just going to go ahead and stop at 7. Yeah, because I don't want this bad boy blowing up in here in my man cave. And this bad boy is hard to pull out now. So I guess 7. Oh, jeez. Whew. So I guess that's 7. Yeah, this bad boy is mad firm. Okay. And I got one more thing for you. Another old inflatable. I'm going to set this down to 1.5. Now that we have an idea. Put this in. And start her up. Yeah, I think that's about it. 1.2. It's about as firm as that's gonna get. I don't hear any air coming out anywhere. Okay, so there you have it. I just inflated 4 balls for you. This bad boy is the truth. It works, and as you can see, it still has full charge on it. So this bad boy, you can definitely fill up a lot of balls on it. I think somewhere I read that you can do what they say, like 60 basketballs or something like that. 60 basketballs from flat to fully inflated on a single charge. So I guess that's a lot. I don't really know, but I know that this meets my needs. It's small, it's compact, and it definitely does the job. So with that being said, I'm Nez, and this has been the official review of the Pumtech electric ball pump model AP1-P. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you like this, if you have something similar to this, let me know which one you have down in the comments down below. Maybe I'll take a look at that one. But this one's fairly inexpensive. I think this one was only $22, and I think there was like a $3 coupon on it at the time. So I think I only paid like 19 for this. So this is well worth it for 19. The only thing that would have made it even better if it had like a little USB port on here, so that way this could be used as a battery charger also. But it only has a 2,000 milliamp battery, and most phones nowadays has 4,000 or something like that. So you're talking about only half a charge with this whole thing, and this is pretty big for. I mean, case in point, I have a portable charger right here. I had one right here, which is half the size, and it's a 10,000 milliamp. So, I mean, even though this is, has another function to it still. I definitely recommend getting this if you're looking for something like this, if you could use something like this. I'll drop the links down in the description down below. Like I said before, let me know what you guys think. Do me a favor, if you like this video, give me that thumbs up. Also hit that share button, let other people know. If you haven't already, go ahead and be a subscriber. I would appreciate it immensely. So with that being said, I'm Nez. Cop that. And I'm out this piece. A little bit of air at you.